Did you know that alligators have been roaming the Earth for millions of years? They are often referred to as living fossils because they have remained virtually unchanged throughout time. There are two distinct species of alligator, the American alligator and the Chinese alligator. American alligators can be found in southeastern areas of the United States, such as Florida and Louisiana. However, Chinese alligators are critically endangered, with only a few remaining in the wild, mainly in the Yangtze River. Alligators are cold-blooded creatures, just like other reptiles. They can grow to incredible sizes, weighing over 450 kilo, 1,000 lb. While they have a powerful bite, the muscles that open their jaws are relatively weak. In fact, an adult human could hold the jaws of an alligator shut with their bare hands. Their diet consists of a variety of animals, including fish, birds, turtles, and even deer. Interestingly, the temperature during incubation determines the gender of alligator eggs. Warmer temperatures result in male hatchlings, while cooler temperatures produce females. Alligators are part of the order Crocodilia, just like their close relatives, crocodiles. So next time you come across an alligator, remember their fascinating history and unique characteristics as living fossils. Did you know that bats are fascinating creatures? They are not just flying mammals, but there are actually over 1,000 different bat species in the world. These nocturnal creatures are most active at night, relying on a special skill called echolocation to navigate in the dark. They emit sounds and wait for the echoes to bounce back off objects, allowing them to safely fly forward. By analyzing the speed of the sound waves returning to them, bats can even determine the distance of various objects. When it comes to feeding, most bats have a diet consisting of insects. However, some bats have more diverse tastes and eat fruit, fish, and even blood. In fact, there are 3 species of vampire bats that solely feed on blood. With their small yet incredibly sharp teeth, vampire bats can pierce the skin of animals effortlessly, including humans, without them even noticing. It's important to be cautious, as vampire bats can carry the deadly disease rabies, making their bites potentially dangerous. While some bats prefer to live on their own, others gather in large groups, occupying caves with thousands of their fellow bats. These incredible creatures can live for over 20 years, demonstrating their longevity. Lastly, the largest bats in the world are called terapus bats, also known as flying foxes or fruit bats. Bats truly are extraordinary animals, using echolocation to see in the dark, having diverse diets, and cohabiting in large colonies. Next time you see a bat flying through the night sky, take a moment to appreciate their unique abilities and remarkable lifestyles. Discover the incredible world of butterflies. These fascinating insects with 4 delicate yet powerful wings, their life cycle consists of 4 stages. Starting with an egg, they transform into tiny caterpillars that feast on plants. These caterpillars eventually attach themselves to a leaf or twig, shedding their skin and revealing a rigid chrysalis. Inside this protective casing, they undergo a miraculous transformation, emerging as graceful and colorful adults. Butterflies have a varied lifespan, ranging from a mere week to up to a year, depending on their species. Their wings carry mesmerizing patterns, crafted with tiny scales, making each butterfly unique. Nature's delicate artists, they thrive on the nectar of beautiful flowers, spreading pollen as they feed. And did you know that butterflies have taste receptors on their feet? Talk about a unique way to savor the sweetness of life. With an estimated 15,000 to 20,000 species of butterflies, there's always more to explore. Take birdwing butterflies, for example, with their large, angular wings, soaring through the air much like birds, or the iconic monarch butterfly, renowned for its incredible migratory journey. Every year, these brave creatures travel thousands of kilometers, laying eggs along the way. The next generation then embarks on the return journey, completing a truly awe-inspiring cycle. So, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of butterflies, these elegant insects that captivate our imagination and remind us of the intricate beauty found in nature.